Hi there. I'm here with another video for lesser known features in ProBench. So one of the lesser known features that we have is the Power BI API. This is basically part of the data set. So when you edit the data set, there are a number of ways in which you can export the data. So one of the recently added functionality is Power BI. So, so the first we'll discuss a bit of the use cases. So, if you are craving for a way to visualize the data sets created in ProBench into Power BI, so you can use this functionality. So, if you want to visualize the data sets, that is one reason you would use this. If you are aware of how to work on Power BI and want to do some further analysis, advanced analysis on the data from the ProBench, where data sets can be a starting point, but the data can be further inferred or kind of analyzed, or uh, some more formulas or calculations can be done. So in those cases elsewhere, you can use this Power BI API. And if you want to create an interactive dashboard using a Power BI and the data collected in ProBench, so this is where you can also use that. The benefits you'll get is that one click, like move the data to Power BI using a single hassle free. So from ProBench to Power BI, it would be just like copy this link and put it or import. I'll just demonstrate that. Import it into Power BI. It's a secured link which is enabled for 10 minutes. So your data is completely secure. It's not like anyone would be able to access it whenever they get this new link that is generated. And third is the communication is seamless between the ProBench and Power BI. So you do not have to download CSV, then upload it to Power BI. So all those things is not needed. It's a direct link that you can kind of put or import in Power BI. So a brief demonstration of this functionality is like we have this uh, data set. So firstly, whenever you create this data set and generation is done, you have to enable the data set for third party, for which you will have to have this download reference. So you can click generate reference key, generate secret key, and click on update, which will generate a link like this. And this link is available for about 30 minutes. Okay, so it's sorry, not 30 minutes, 10 minutes. So once that link is generated, what you need to do is you need to click on this Power BI button. So once you upload, it would say like you URL copied. So URL is already copied and it will be valid for 10 minutes. So you have to use that URL within 10 minutes. So now this is Power BI desktop. So what I'll do is now go to get data, okay, and click on web. Okay, so once I click on web, it would ask for a URL, and I just have to paste that URL and click on OK. So what it would do is whatever data that would be there in that data set would be kind of displayed, because it's an indirect way of downloading the CSV. It would be displayed here in a tabular format, and then you can play around with however you want to play around. So currently there is only this data in that API. So this data is completely displayed, and do whatever operations, extract table using examples, load data, transform data, whatever you do with a normal CSV file can be done through here. So yeah, this is a brief about this particular feature. So for more information, what you can do is you can visit the link in the description as well, and there is also a link added to this article. So hope that helps you. In case of any questions, please get back to us at support@73bit.com. Thank you so much for this. Bye bye. Take care.